Hey dudes, what is going on? Ballistic Soldier here, and welcome back to another little tutorial. Excuse you, briefcase. Welcome back to another little tutorial thing. We're back in my room right now. The last tutorial thing was for Steam, so I had to do it in the front room because that's where the computer with my Steam on it is. Because yes. Anyway, today we're gonna be doing some brief little tutorial on a nifty way to earn money from Microsoft. Now, as we all know, Microsoft stuff is very expensive. So finding a way to get like good money for free money, technically free money for it, is pretty decent. So, I found something called Microsoft Rewards, and it's 100% legal because I actually found it in the login screen. You know where they have the little on Windows 10 anyway. You know how they have the little load in, and you have to click it to actually lift it up and sign in, put in your password to get into the computer, and sometimes they have like little little notes and stuff on there. Yeah, one of the notes for it was earn free Microsoft money today, and I checked it out and it looked pretty cool. So I haven't signed up for it yet. I want to do that in the video. So you go over to Chrome and click the link in the description. It will take you to this page, Microsoft Rewards. So let's just scroll through the benefits. You basically, as you can see here, movies, games, apps, and more. You can redeem your points for a variety of gift cards and sweepstakes entries. You can even donate your points to nonprofits. No other program gives you benefits for doing the stuff that you love with Microsoft products and devices. I have 3 HP Microsoft 10, not Microsoft 10, that's... Whoa. Windows 10 computers. I have an Xbox 360 as well as an Xbox One. So we're pretty stocked up on Microsoft stuff. So I thought this would be cool. Basically, yeah. So search on Bing. So basically, this is the way to get it. You search something up on Bing. They're probably doing like a little partnership or whatever while signed into your Microsoft account to keep earning stuff on the board. So this is probably one of the easier ones. All you have to do is just spam in random things like photos of leopards on Bing while you're while you are signed into your Microsoft account on the same computer, and it should be fine. This is how you get it without like doing anything. However, this shopping, you probably get more points for it, but you'd have to spend actual money on it. So if I just sign in, and if you buy something from the Microsoft Store, which is probably one of the more the less expensive ones, because you also earn points from buying like computers or laptops with Windows 10 and stuff like that from the Microsoft Store. Not the Microsoft App Store, mind you. There's two different things. But the Microsoft Store, at the App Store, you can purchase games as well as Xbox passes, Game Pass and stuff to purchase other games that are normally expensive. For example, Sea of Thieves, you get it free with the Xbox Pass, which I plan on getting, by the way. And you get Sea of Thieves free, which is right now, if you don't get it with the pass, which is completely free. The pass is only like $9, and you don't just get Sea of Thieves with it, you get a whole bunch of other stuff with it. So I suggest doing it. I myself am going to be doing it and getting Sea of Thieves first things first. But if you don't get the pass, Sea of Thieves is $60 basically right now. It's $59.99, not on the App Store, and you know they're gonna take tax, more than likely. So it's gonna basically round up. It's 1 penny away from being $60, so it's practically $60. I'm gonna stop at this point right here because this video might sound like it's sponsored. I'm gonna say it right now. This video is not sponsored. It's just a quick way, fun way to earn money for Microsoft. Yeah. So that's basically what this video is about. I'm going to sign up real quick and pause it because you guys don't need to know my sign-in information. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so we're back. I've signed in. Now something I wasn't ready for. It asked for my name. I thought that I'd already put it in with my account, but I didn't. So I put in a random name. If you guys are comfortable putting in your actual name, go ahead. I did not because this is a video and I'm gonna be uploading it. So I didn't put in my actual name. So yeah, Welcome to Microsoft Rewards. You're on your way to unlocking great rewards just by searching and shopping with I was about to say with Minecraft. I'm disappointed in life. With Microsoft. Could you go away, please? I don't need you right now. So we're gonna start earning points. I think bad things have just happened. It won't let me click anything. Oh god. Okay, hold on. I'll be back. Okay, we're back. Everything seems to be working fine now. Yeah. Okay. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. There we go. Alrighty. So yeah, basically this stuff here. Yeah. So all this stuff you can do is all this stuff will give you points. It tells you how many points you're getting, and yeah. So there's that, and there's all this stuff. You can get a bunch of points for and all that. But yeah. As you guys can see, the stuff that actually requires you to put in personal information and money is the most gives you the most points. So that's how you can tell if you can pay for something. Because this quiz up here, well, this is the tour, so that's obviously they obviously want you to do that. So there's this, but stuff like this, it doesn't cost money to link your phone to your PC. It doesn't cost money to link your phone to your PC again, but it's only gives you 10 points because you don't have to pay for anything. Yeah, I actually have Cuphead, so I might do this later. But that's basically what Microsoft is. This is not what Microsoft is. This is what Microsoft Rewards is. You basically do a bunch of tasks and you complete them and you get points, and those points add up to money. Now, I don't know, like, how you would convert those points into actual money, but I'll figure that out, and I'll make a video once I figure it out, probably sometime soon. But yeah, so I'm assuming you slide over to this redeem area now that I've actually seen it. So you do the points, you slide into this redeem area, and then yeah, that's how you do it. But that is Microsoft Rewards. Like I said, it's 100% legal. As you guys can see, it's on the Microsoft website. And yeah, see, this is how you do it then. You just come over here and you once you get these many points, you redeem it. So you need 17,000. Oh my god, I actually really want this. So I'm gonna have to save up a lot of points. But when you get to points, you come over here and you can get all this really cool stuff. And yeah. So, oh, you can get, see, here's the Game Pass I was talking about that gives you, that gets you a free, Sea of Thieves. So, I'm searching on Bing now. And I also want this t-shirt and these mugs and all that, so I think that'd be cool. I already have this game. But, this is really what I signed up for to get free money and all that. So, I've got some work to do, as you guys can see. Got some work to do. And, but yeah, that's what Rewards is, and I think it's really cool, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. It's gonna be one of those things where it's slowly but surely, but we'll get there. Hopefully by the time I save up to this amount, a bit older. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this stuff. Okay, so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like if you liked. I'm actually kind of enjoying doing these tutorial things. It takes a break from all the gaming and stuff. Make no mistake though, my channel is a gaming channel, but it's just nice to take a step back every now and then and do like stuff to help people out who can't afford to put money into Microsoft. They can do this and just do a bunch of random searches on Bing that don't even make any sense, because it didn't say it's such a specific thing. It just said search anything on Bing while you're signed into your Microsoft account. So just search for random stuff on Bing. It'll take a while, but you'll get there, and it's worth it because you don't have to spend a dime. The only thing you're paying for is your time. So, yeah, like I said before, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like if you like, and if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing for more videos like this one right here. It lets me know that you guys enjoy these tutorials on how to get free stuff on like Steam and Microsoft. Like, I already found a way to get money on Google Play for free, and it's been working great. I actually recently bought Don't Starve on my phone, the Pocket Edition, when it was on sale, because of it, because of the little thing that I was told about by my friend, and I didn't pay a dime for it. Like, I didn't actually pay a dime for it. I made money off of taking quizzes. But that'll be for another video. Like I said before, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like the video and comment down below. Lets me know that you guys are actually enjoying this series. And, yeah, that's gonna be it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.